Kai Montinola.
Hello! Hello po! Hello, what's up? Her eyes, make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. It's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, sing along! There's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Her lips, I could kiss them all. Gusto ko na! Her laugh, she hates but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just say the same. So, don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know what I'm saying? When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing. Sing! And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are. The way you are. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing. Yeah. Let's go!
Kai! Hi, Kai!
po!
Good evening, I'm Milo. Hi.
Hello,
Yes.
I'm Kai.
Yes, of
Hello.
course. Nice to meet you. And
Nice
please,
to meet you.
batiin natin ang lahat ng mga kapamilya and of
Yes.
course, our supporters right now
Of
here in
course.
Tipolo.
Hello.
Please, go ahead.
What's up, guys? Hello, thank you so much for having me. Hopefully, na-enjoy niyo yung performance ko. Ayun.
Yes, we definitely enjoyed it. And of course, maraming salamat din sa pagsama sa amin ngayon, Kai. And if you have something to promote, your social media accounts, saan ka pa naman papanood, future projects, kung ano pa pwede mo i-share sa amin right now, go ahead.
So far, my social media, you guys can follow me on my Instagram. It's keisha.aaa. And you can follow me on X din, which is Kakay Montinola. Ayun.
Ayan, maraming salamat,
Yeah.
Kai, for
Thank
being
you.
here. And
Thank you.
ayun, thank you and we'll see you
Thank you
later.
po.
Thank you,
Thank you
Kai.
po.
Palakpakan naman natin si Kai.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Okay, our next, eto na, the red Kiran from PBB Gen 11. Sino nga ba aking tunutukoy, mga kapamilya? Sino? Rain Salmar.
Umitig kahit na napipilitan, kahit pa sinasadya. Okay, hello! Mo akong masaktan paminsan-minsan, bawat sandali na lang. Okay, hello guys! Oh, Ray! Tulad mo ba akong nahihirapan? Lalo naiisip ka. Ayo, come on! Di ko na kaya pa nakalimutan, bawat sandali na lang. At aalis, magbabalik, at uulitin, sabihin na mahalin. Right outfit mo! At abitin, kahit muling masaktan, sa pag-alis, ako'y magbabalik, at sana naman. Okay, balik tayo doon. Woo! Sa isang marikig na alaala, pangitain kay ganda. Sana nga'y pabigyan na ng tadhana, bawat sandali na lang. Ho ho! Sumabay sa biglang pagkabahala, umabis ang pagtataka. Pikachu! Tunay na pagkintang di alintang. Hey, sing with me! Bawat sandali na lang. Hey! At mabalik, at uulitin, sabihin na mahalin, kahit sambitin, kahit muling masaktan, sa pag-alis. Oh yeah! Ako'y magbabalik, at sana naman. Yeah! Oh, hi guys! Where we now? Antipolo! Let's go! Hi! Okay kayo? G? Okay kayo there? Okay! Okay mo? Okay! Okay kayo? Okay! Hey! 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 Nakanta na ba ako? Hey! Oh! Sing with me, ah! One! Magbabalik at uulit. Tama ba? Oh yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Ang gulo! Bawat sandali na lang. Okay! At ay, wala ka! Ay! Magbabalik at uulitin, sabihin na mahalin, ay kahit sambitin, kahit muling masaktan, sa pag-alis, ako'y magbabalik, at sana naman. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
naman ang rate! Yes, sir, in the Antipolo, please bumati ka ulit sa ating mga kapamilya. And of course, lahat ng mga supporters mo na nandito ngayon sa Antipolo. Go ahead.
Hi, Antipolo! Come on! Thank you guys for coming here kasi you guys are supporting us, so that's amazing. Mag-watch kayo ng The Breadwinner is showing this December 25. Mag-laugh tayo, mag-cry tayo, mag-watch tayo! Woo!
Yes, and you are amazing also.
Thank you, thank you, thank
You
you.
are so amazing. Eto, hindi ako masyadong pwedeng bumuka. Baka may makita silang amazing.
Wag na.
So, mahirap na. Pero if you have something to promote your social media account, saka pa namin, of course, we look forward mapanood at kung ano pa man. Go ahead.
Oh yeah. Okay guys, Instagram at Reyna Somar. Follow me ha. TikTok Rain.Dear. That's dear with a 3. Yeah, basta you got it. I love you all. Thank you so much. Haha.
We got it. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan naman natin. Amazing, amazing Ray.
Over here, bye.
Over here. Come on. Thank you. Maraming salamat.